Hi guys. Today I'm doing episode 2 of the thorium mod. I've just set up ready for the Grand Thunderbird. Right, 3, 2, 1. Grand Thunderbird. Yes, dodged it. I tried it before, and I didn't have this thing in it. So it was a lot more. Because I could have dodged them. Also, I found this weapon here, this gun, with the guns on the inside. Second try. Nice. Alright, so now I'm gonna see. Oh, my world reset, so I had to build everything back and it's really good. So it's a little bit more realistic. It's got pretty good on it. And I also got this from killing a pink slime. Or I'm gonna make some of this. So what I want to, so I need to kill Grand Thunderbird again, actually to get the recipe over. So yeah, also let me know if I get 6 lenses, and I go to the collection, then I can make an eye, a suspicious looking eye, which some of the eye do make, which actually uses the very similar ring. So yeah, that's good. So this is part 2, and this is thorium weapon. This is a little bit shorter than Calamity, but I've already completed Calamity once. I might. No, no. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so it's not this corner. That was close. On the this one, yeah, let's put one. Right.